I'd like to show you a new feature of QuickNect ODBC for QuickBase. I'm assuming that you've installed QuickNect ODBC for QuickBase and that you have this folder here on your Start menu. If you open that up, you'll see two ODBC Administrator panel shortcuts. You'll see two if you've installed on a 64-bit operating system. If you've installed on a 32-bit operating system, you'll only see the first one here. I'm going to open up the first one. What we get is this little control panel here, and on the User DSN tab we see this DSN that was created by the installation process, and on the System tab we also see this DSN. I'm going to open up this one. If you followed the Getting Started video, you'll have filled in your username, password, your server, and your application token. But what I want to show you is that there is a feature here that allows you to turn logging on and off. You have two levels of logging. You can log the SQL statements that the driver receives from the application that you're using to communicate with QuickBase via QuickNect ODBC for QuickBase. And then this will log the API calls that QuickNect makes on behalf of these SQL statements to fulfill either the query or the insert or the update or the delete that's specified by that SQL statement. These SQL statements will be logged in a file. That file will reside on the C drive in the Windows folder in the temp folder, and the file will be called qdb.odbc.log. And the contents of the file will look something like this. You'll see the API. In this case, I have both API logging on and SQL statement logging. So we see these API calls, we see these SQL statements, and the resulting API calls. So this can help you in a number of different ways to troubleshoot and to optimize your use of QuickNect ODBC for QuickBase. Thank you.